Hi guys, I am Deepak from Teen Tech Review, and today in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the Oppo Realme 1 smartphone. I've got the 3GB RAM variant, so let's unbox it. Inside the box, the first thing that we get are some user manuals and a silicone case for protecting the device. Then we got the phone. Taking it out of the box and peeling the plastic off, the phone looks absolutely stunning. The back of the phone is definitely a showstopper. Look at the way it reflects the light. It's absolutely stunning. The next up we have got a charger. It's rated at 5 volt and 2 amperes, which means it's not a fast charger. At last we got a micro USB cable. Yep, this phone does not have a type C port. So let's get to the overview of the phone. On the front we have a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with a pixel resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. And it's also a 18 by 9 aspect ratio display. The back of the phone does the talking and it's really well built. Up here we can see a 13 megapixel shooter and along with it we have a flash. In the center we see the Realme 1 branding, and a little lower we see the Oppo branding. So on the front we have a 8 megapixel shooter, a speaker and a proximity sensor. At the right side of the phone we see the power key and a SIM tray. On the left side of the phone we see the volume rockers. At the bottom of the phones we see the speaker grills and a micro USB port, a microphone, and yes, you heard that right, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. The top of the phone is plain. So now let's get to the review of the phone. I have been using this phone for a few days and there are two major issues that I faced with the phone. First, the face unlock. It even opens when my eyes are closed. Second, RAM management. The RAM management of the phone is not good at all. Even the basic app like YouTube are not stored in the RAM of the phone and you have to reload them, so you cannot multitask on this phone at all. But I guess that the company can fix these issues with an update. But again, Oppo's history with updates is not good at all. The camera of the phone is not that good or bad either. It is a decent camera that can capture some decent shots. The battery of the phone lasts for around a day. Apart from this, the phone works really well and fast. So if you're planning to buy this phone, I would definitely not recommend you guys to buy this phone. I would just suggest you to wait for a little more time till the Mi A2 launches, or even you can go for the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is a great deal at a great price. So that's it for this video guys. If you like the video, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Till then, bye bye.